Stunt driving or racing charge in Ontario can have serious penalties at the roadside. It also has major penalties upon conviction in Ontario court. But there's also these long-term insurance consequences that can last many, many years. So let's explore that. How does a stunt driving conviction affect my insurance policy? Well, for at least a year and possibly up to 3 years, you don't even have to worry about insurance because you're going to get a minimum 1-year license suspension, which means you can't even drive. If you can't drive, you can't even have an insurance policy. So insurance is not even relevant at this point. Insurance rates are based on the risk you pose while driving. So this is based on, let's say, your age, your driving record, etc. So with a driving suspension, you will not even be eligible to get that insurance because you're not even eligible to operate a motor vehicle. So what happens after my 1-year driving suspension is over? Well, now you have to worry about getting insurance. Stunt driving or stunt driving conviction is one of the most serious moving violations under the Highway Traffic Act in Ontario. So most likely you'll be considered high-risk driver for at least 3 years after your conviction. This means that even after a 1-year suspension, you will run the risk of a massive increase in insurance or not being able to get insured at all for many years. So this would be between you and your insurance company, but generally this is going to apply across the board. So the question is, now what? Will I ever be able to get insured again? Well, how about this idea? Do everything in your power to avoid getting convicted of stunt driving in Ontario in the first place. If you don't get convicted of stunt driving, you don't have to worry about the automatic 1 to 3 year license suspension and the risk of insurance increases. So get a free consultation from a law firm that specializes in stunt driving charges so you can understand all your options and a strategy to keep yourself driving.